Start with Cybersecurity Fundamentals.
Begin each day by learning key cybersecurity terms, concepts, and common threats. Focus on foundational topics such as confidentiality, integrity, availability, and types of attacks like phishing and malware. Exploring these basics helps you understand how digital security works and why it matters. Consider dedicating 10 to 15 minutes daily to reliable online guides or introductory courses.
Practice safe online habits.
Apply cybersecurity principles to your own digital life. Use strong, unique passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and keep software updated. Each day, review your device's security settings or try a new protective tool. By practicing safe behaviors, you'll gain first-hand experience and build habits that protect both you and others online.
Explore hands-on learning resources.
Set aside time regularly to solve cybersecurity puzzles or participate in labs. Free platforms like TryHackMe and Over the Wire offer interactive challenges for beginners. Start small, learning about network basics or simple vulnerabilities. Consistent exposure to real-world scenarios helps you connect theory to practical skills.
Stay informed with regular reading.
Make it a habit to read cybersecurity news and blogs each day. Trusted sources like security blogs, newsletters, or podcasts highlight recent threats, emerging trends, and practical tips. This keeps your knowledge current and exposes you to industry vocabulary and real incidents, deepening your understanding.
Join cybersecurity communities.
Connect with others interested in cybersecurity. Participate in online forums, social media groups, or study circles to discuss questions and share resources. Engaging with the community can provide support, motivation, and opportunities to learn from real professionals. Even 5 minutes a day spent interacting can accelerate your growth.
Track progress and set new goals.
Reflect on your learning at the end of each week. Note skills you've gained and areas you found challenging. Set small, actionable goals for the next week, like mastering a new tool or finishing a course module. Regular self-assessment ensures steady progress and keeps you motivated on your cybersecurity journey.